Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reveal text edit or behind the text edit on Capcut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to tap on the new project and you have to select that particular video. Then tap on the add button from the bottom right corner so you can see that the video has been added. So first of all you have to tap on the text button, then you have to add the text. So I'm gonna write like tutorial. Okay, here I'm gonna choose the font. I think that's okay. I'm gonna go to the effect. Let it be this effect. Now I will show you how to refill it. You have to position it accordingly. So the text will be refilled from here, right? So you have to place it here. So just export it after that. Done. Then go to that project again, then add that particular video that you have exported right now. Tap on overlay, place it just below it and delete the text. Okay, now it's the overlay text as you have added this video. Okay, now you have to go to the mask option. Here it is. Tap on that. You have to make this vanish by rolling it like that. Okay, I think that's perfect. Okay, now add frame, add keyframe. Okay, go here, then just adjust it like that. Again go like that and just adjust it. So you have to keep going. And adjust it. Though the video is not actually perfect, that's why the demonstration is not perfect here. Okay, otherwise it would be perfect. Now just watch it to see how it looks. You can see this is how it will look. So as the video is not perfect, it's not working good, but this is actually the procedure. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.